Are you planning a trip to Australia and want the best eSIM to stay connected without paying crazy roaming fees? Then you're in the right place. Hi, I'm Lewis, and after testing dozens of eSIMs while traveling, today I'm breaking down the top 2 best eSIM options for Australia in 2025. I'll break down the pricing, data, and what you actually get. And yes, I've also included discounts in case you're interested. Links are in the description. Alright, let's get into it. eSIM provider I recommend for Australia is Maya Mobile. If you're looking for cheap and flexible plans, Maya is a strong pick. For Australia, the options start with 3GB for $8.09 valid for 10 days, followed by 5GB for $10.79. If you need more data, you can grab 10GB for $17.09 or 20GB for $30.59, all on that same 10-day period. For power users, Maya even has unlimited data for $37.79. Everything is 5G ready and activates instantly. The website is clean, just pick your destination, pay, and you're connected in minutes. And if you use the link in the description, you'll get a 10% discount right at checkout. Now, let me explain how to get started with Maya and claim your discount. When you click the link in the description, it will take you to Maya's homepage. From there, just type Australia into the destination search bar. You'll see a list of available plans. Choose the one that fits your needs. At checkout, the 10% discount will already be applied, so no code is needed. Once you complete the payment, you'll get a QR code instantly. Scan it with your phone and your eSIM will be activated and ready to use in minutes. Now, if you've already tried Maya and you didn't like it so far, or maybe you didn't like the options they offer, then I would recommend Airalo. I've tried it myself and they are great. If longer validity matters most, Airalo's plans are solid value. For Australia, the options start with 1GB for $4.50 valid for 7 days. There's also 2GB for $8 valid for 15 days and 3GB for $9 valid for 30 days. Heavier users can choose 5GB for $12.50, 10GB for $20 or 20GB for $40, each with a full 30-day validity. And if you want endless browsing, Airalo gives you unlimited data for $35 valid for 10 days. The app is super simple to use. Buy a plan, get a QR code instantly, and if you use the link below, you'll get 10% discount. So, which one should you choose? Airalo or Maya Mobile? If you want the best overall deal, especially for mid to heavy data use over a short stay, Maya Mobile takes the top spot. The plans are cheaper at higher data tiers, the speeds are great, and setup is effortless. But if you're after small data bundles or need a month-long validity, Airalo is a fantastic alternative with the convenience of in-app top-ups. Both links are in the description with exclusive discounts already applied. Pick the one that suits your trip best, follow the steps, and you'll be connected in Australia in just a few minutes. No roaming, no SIM card swaps, no stress. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next video.